Father, that was fucking shit. Completely dominated from the first minute onwards. No desire, no hunger, no passion, no fight. A coward's performance, void of any backbone, toothless, pitiful. What I saw out there in claret and blue was a bunch of fucking losers. Losers in every department. Watching that, I felt ashamed to be an Aston Villa fan. There better be some form of public apology on Thursday night by way of a performance. I'm talking proper fucking makeup sex. Forgive not I today, Father, but forgive them, because that performance was fucking sinful.
As is your wont, Aston Vigilante. Up the Villa.
Not today, Father. There's no up the fucking Villa today.